right in front of us. Here we go. Watch out for these trees.
Wait for it.
Let me know. We got to do it, Joel.
Wait for it. Say launch.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Get a little closer. Launched. We got to go again. Get closer. Launch it again. Launch it again.
Launch, launch, launch.
All right, get down. Get down.
No, we're good.
Get down, Joel. Drop it down. Power lines. Drop down. Debris hit the car. Parachute probe is in the tornado.
Launch, can you launch?
Yes, it just lifted. You got it. Stop. You see it go up? I saw it was all like going all over the place. It shot. Oh wow. Guys, that's huge. Now the air cannon's ready, Chris. We gotta get the air cannons. Stop, stop. Look at that horizontal vortex. Look at that. The air cannon's ready?
Yes, they're
Will they still
ready.
work?
They're supposed to be fail-safe.
It's fine.
There's a neighborhood right here. I used to have a house out here. Stop, stop, stop.
It won't.
Stop, stop, stop. Oh my God.